Hello everyone, this is Emily from Uni-edit answering today's question. In addition versus besides, which is more useful in academic writing? This video will be approximately 2 minutes long. Consider this situation. You are writing a journal paper and need to convince readers that the model ABC presented by another researcher is invalid. Common inaccurate use of besides in academic writing. Smith 2010, James 2011, and Ling 2015 have each provided evidence that shows the problems of model ABC. Besides, with the recent increase in computational power, the model can be shown to break down at high iterations. Correct use of in addition. Smith 2010, James 2011, and Ling 2015 have each provided evidence that shows the problems of model ABC. In addition to these findings, with the recent increase in computational power, the model can be shown to break down at high iterations. A native speaker will understand both examples, but besides gives a different and unwanted feeling to the reader. What is it? Besides is an exclusive term. It means even without the previous facts, I am still right because I have these new facts. In the example, besides means, even if you ignore the evidence provided by other researchers, the model ABC is wrong anyway because recent increases in computing power can show that. If this is true, then the author did not need to point out the previous findings in his paper. What's the problem with besides? The problem is that A, it is disrespectful to those other researchers who were earlier in their findings, and B, we don't want the reader to disregard those previous findings. In academic research, we want to accumulate evidence. In addition is a better term for accumulating. However, in everyday speech, both terms are commonly used. Here's an example. We can't be together again because I don't love you anymore, and besides, I have found somebody else. As you can see, besides and in addition are similar. To revisit our original question, in addition versus besides, which is more useful in academic writing? In addition is both more common and more useful in academic writing. We hope you enjoyed this tip. Once again, this is Emily from Uni-edit. Have a wonderful day.